Well, hello, and welcome back to Alex's boho chic wardrobe. How fabulous to have you in today. Thank you so much for being here. If you don't know me already, I am Alex Keeper, a mid-size, middle-aged model, also a dominatrix on the side, but that's not what we're here for. What we're here for is the body confidence in middle-aged. You can be a mid-sized lady of any age, and you still need to be your very best, gorgeous, stylish self. So today, what am I bringing you? I'm bringing you a classic. I am bringing you a simple two-piece suit, something that you might have ordered for a wedding, something that you might just have for a day at the races, something like that. And we're going to make sure that we get all the value out of it, and that we use it in several different ways. So the classic suit I'm talking about today is a lovely pair of button-up beige trousers. They've got pockets, they come down, and they're a nice wide leg, simple, straightforward wide leg suit. And that comes with a lovely, I'm gonna have to chase that now, waistcoat. So as you can see, lovely button-up waistcoat. I've got a sort of blacky brown colour on the buttons, that very nice detail you get at the bottom of a waistcoat with the V shapes. But honestly, I'm not going to say this is super stretchy, but it does have a little bit of manoeuvrability in it. And honestly, I'll tell you the truth, the line here along the chest actually came up a lot higher, which when you're very heavy chested isn't always so flattering. So I actually just dropped that down with a little pin on each side. You can actually see on the inside there was room for another button, but it just didn't look nice. So I did tailor that very slightly. Never ever be afraid to tailor your clothing. If you think that people go around buying stuff off the peg all the time, it's not the case. Those people you see whose clothes just fit beautifully, usually they've done a bit of work on it. Now, let me grab this that fell on the floor. Okay, so I'm going to pair this up with this beautiful hairband. You might be able to see, I'm probably going to pop a clip in now, with this gorgeous leopard print hairband, just to give a bit of texture. And I've also got these lovely, I always call them my Chanel rip-offs, they're not, but, or maybe not Chanel, there's a brand that has this kind of shaped leather at the front, and these are just a platform. They're really comfortable. They have got loads of padding on the inside. They've got the double strap, which means you feel really secure, a nice band across the front, and a good height, because once you take off that wedge, they're probably only 2.5 inches high, which is really comfortable to walk around in, and they're light as anything. So that's my first outfit, and you've probably had a look by now at what that looked like. It was really lovely to wear, and I just felt super comfortable in it. I feel like I could definitely wear that to a lunch with my girlfriends. I've actually got a friend's birthday coming up, so that would work really well for it, wouldn't it? Now, what's next to talk about? Okay, so the same outfit, I want us to do more with it. I want us to make sure that while this could just be a smart suit in my wardrobe, I want to make sure that I get my money's worth, and I want you to make sure that all of your outfits get their money's worth. So if you've got something similar to this, even if you brought this back to really simple and you just had a nice pair of beige wide leg trousers, I'm going to show you now how I really zhuzhed that up and took it up a notch with some serious boho chic. So the next thing I did was I bought in my caramel, very soft beige cowgirl hat, which I absolutely love. And again, ladies, this didn't cost very much. This was off Temu. It's a soft felt. It's probably not going to last indefinitely, but I've already worn it 3 or 4 times and it's been fine. Haven't had any issues with it. I've got quite a small head. It is big for me, which means, if I'm being honest with you, this is going to fit all people with normal size heads perfectly. So that's my cowgirl hat that I bought in. I also bought in a beautiful loose long line. Because we've got long line trousers, I thought this would be a really nice excuse to bring in something long line. So I got a nice throw over lace as well to bring in a bit of texture. I'm going to mix up the bags. I think by now I'm going to have popped this in, so you're going to be seeing what this new look is like. I got this lovely brown suede bag with all the tassels, and the reason I've gone with a darker brown now is because the top we're bringing in is fabulous. This is one of those, once again, little Bardo tops that have the fantastic triangle trim that comes to the center, and that is so flattering. If you are a mid-sized lady who has filled out around the middle, because we do, menopause, childbirth, just age in general, we tend to thicken a little bit through the middle, and I know for many of us it's not our favorite thing, but this shape is so flattering. It directs everything down, pulls from the smallest point of your waist and directs away from it. It's fantastic. But these autumn colours, how pretty are they? I feel they're so autumnal. I just think even in like October, because this has got gorgeous oranges and burnt rust browns, you could definitely do this with a pair of flared trousers and like a little cardigan over it. So going into a colder season, but with lovely colours. So pretty. So I think by now I will have put all of this up here. I did also use these earrings today. Shall I bring those in a bit closer? Let's bring all this back up here. These are the earrings I went with. They are wooden with a little bit of leather in them. You know I love a bit of movement. It's got to be there for me if it's going to work. So what did you think today? Would you put those outfits together? Have you thought about taking a classic suit and bringing it into a more casual look? I mean, I think you could wear that to the pub on a lovely summer's afternoon so easily. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Please put them in the comments. Would you go out in that? Would you take a smart outfit and bring it down a notch? Maybe you're thinking, no, I want to save that for best. The thing is with saving it for best, how many times do you really get to wear it? And I am a big price per wear advocate. I think if you've got it in your wardrobe, you should be wearing it. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are. Now, I'm Alex Keeper, and yeah, please do let me know what you thought of bringing up to date and modernising some boho chic fun. Thank you for being here with me. Like, subscribe, comment. Please comment. I adore the comments. The comments are my favourite, and I go in and read them all. Even if, you don't have to say all good stuff. I'm okay. If you don't like it, by all means, constructive criticism is always welcome. Mean old trolls, not so much. But you know what? We don't worry about those. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I have absolutely loved having you, and I'm wishing you an amazing day. I'm going to have to come up to the camera because now I can't find my clicker. I hope you've enjoyed that, my darlings. Mwah.